Over the last year, AI Dev scaled from a few hundred people to this one of about 3,000 attendees. So many hallway conversations, great presentations. Someone told me it feels like a music festival to have so many people here chatting, buzzing, talking about ideas.
The vibe is amazing. So much energy at Pier 48.
I see a lot of people from all over the world.
Everyone here is really eager to learn.
Just walking in here this morning was just like a huge influx of people.
Firstly, what caught my eyes was the dumpling breakfast, but what I also saw was a bunch of developers ranging from solution architects to engineers to AI developers, just everywhere.
Energy is really great. A lot of great builders and developers.
It's like Disneyland for developers. It feels like the future is happening here.
The venue is very cool. It feels very organic. Lots of conversations are happening.
I love the fact that this is like a huge open space. I feel like we got a lot more traffic.
It's been really fun to talk with people about architectural decisions that you can make to make sure that your agent is reliable.
You see a lot of different perspectives from coders to generalists to business people that are really interested in what AI is doing.
This is my third AI Dev, and it's just continued to grow and grow. We've got 3 event stages here, and they are all packed all the time.
Tons of people coming in today to learn everything that they can about generative AI, about agents.
It's really cool seeing all the people here, all the companies here, the sponsors.
Everybody seems to be very curious to know how they can actually apply most recent AI trends into their workflow.
I felt like this crowd in particular was high energy.
While on stage, I've got a lot of visual feedback from the audience.
Everyone was super involved. I love when phones go up and take pictures of my slides.
People are really excited about AI, but also AI in this new world.
I was impressed by the questions I had, really technical questions by people who understand what we did. Great experience.
A lot of people buzzing about in the different exhibit halls, in the different booths, ready to hustle, ready to roll their sleeves up and actually build.
The ability to learn from each other, especially all the advancements that are coming out basically every week.
It's really crucial to have those conversations live because we can ask questions and it's a lot more interactive. We get a lot more details about it.
Just the conversations that you're having energize you because you're learning something from someone who's actually working really hard on that problem.
This has been extremely exciting. You got to meet the people, you got to know what is hot and what it's not, and actually talk with the builders, the people that are actually doing.
Can't wait to see what next year is like.
I can only imagine how much bigger, more exciting it's going to be next year.
As we wrap up AI Dev, I feel energized, excited, grateful for all the things I've learned from the presentations and from the hallway conversations, and eager to get back to the computer to use these skills to build more things. AI Dev has been getting better and bigger with every iteration. I hope I'll see you at the next one.